in this class I am going to teach how to draw the graph of a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means degree is 1. Okay, let us take px is equal to, this is the notation of a linear polynomial, 2x plus 1. This is the polynomial. Now we have to represent, we have to draw the graph of this 2x plus 1. Okay, px is the name of the polynomial. So you can have fx, you can have gx. Okay, polynomial in x, polynomial in y, like that you can have it. So now our polynomial is 2x plus 1. Now this is the right hand side, this green color one is the graph sheet. So we have to represent this graph in this graph sheet. So to represent this graph sheet, we need an ordered pair. Ordered pair means we need an x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. So x coordinate, y coordinate. Then only suppose if you want to represent a point here, you need an x value and a y value. So x coordinate and y coordinate are very much important. So we need to have x coordinate, y coordinate for this polynomial. Okay. Let us find out what is x. X is already x, and this px will become y, and this x is already x. So now we will have ordered pairs for this thing. You give x different values and find out the value of polynomial for those values. For example, if you are giving 0, you find the value of this px polynomial at x. P0 you have to find out. So then P0 how much? Because P is replaced with x is replaced with 0, and here in this polynomial also x should be replaced with 0. So now 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So when x is equal to 0, the value of px is equal to 1. That means the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 0. So then what happened? We got an ordered pair x is equal to 0 and px is equal to 1. So this px is nothing but y coordinate. So now to draw the graph, we need few more points. With one point, you will get only a point. So we need 1 point. So now x you can give your own values. I am giving a 2 here. So then what happened? You have to find out the value of the polynomial at 2. So then what happened? 2 into 2 plus 1. So then 4 plus 1, 5. So at 2, the value of the polynomial is 5. The ordered pair is 2, 5. So let us take one more. You can take 3 or you can take minus 2 also. You can give some minus numbers also. So then what happened? What is the value of a polynomial at minus 2? P minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So how much? Minus 4 plus 1, which is equal to minus 3. You have to be very careful. Okay, minus 3. The ordered pair is minus 2, minus 3. So I have taken only 3 points. You can take any number of points. Okay. So better minimum 3, maximum 5 or 6. Okay. So now let us plot these 0, 1, 2, 5 and minus 2, minus 3 in the graph sheet. So for that we need to draw an x-axis and y-axis. So if you draw along this horizontal line, like this is, you take any line and draw a line. So this horizontal line will become x-axis. So this x-axis you can draw anywhere. There are so many lines, 1, 2, 3, so many lines are there. Graph sheet, horizontal lines. You choose only one, any one line, and you can. That means x-axis can be adjusted top and down as per our need. Now let us take y-axis also. So y-axis I am taking here. So this is y-axis. Okay, and this is y. Okay, so now in y-axis we have to write px. That is the thing. Okay, px. That means polynomial values you have to write it. Now at every between every two lines it is 1 centimeter or 1 unit. Okay, so here 1, 2, and 3, 4, and so on. Okay, this is -1, -2, minus 3, and so on. So here x-axis 1 and 2, 3, and 4, and so on. So here -1, okay, -2, and -3. That means these are the number lines. So above x-axis positive, below x-axis negative, and this is left side negative and right side positive. Okay, now we have represented x-axis and y-axis. Let us plot this 0, 1. So first 0, 1 we have to plot. So you have to find out x0 on x. 0 is here. So this is 0, 0, x0 and y0 at the point of intersection. That is why we call that as a origin. So x is 0 and go to y-axis and find out 1. So here this is the point. Let us name this point. This is A. So this point is A and A is 0, 1. Now we have represented first point. Let us name the second point as B. So 2, 5. You find out 2. 2 is here. Okay. And 5, positive 5. So only I have written up to 4. This is 5. And this is point B. And ordered pair is 2, 5. Okay. So now I have 2 points are over. Now -2, -3. Again go to -2 on x-axis. Here this is the -2 and -3. Come down. This is -3. Okay. So this is a C. Let me name it as a C, and this is C, and the ordered pair is -2, -3. So once you plot the points, then join all the points using a scale, because linear polynomial you should get a straight line. Okay, so you can extend it also. You can extend it also. So this is a linear polynomial. Every linear polynomial you will be getting a straight line. You should get a straight line. So on this, let me write px is equal to 2x plus 1. This is the graph of a linear polynomial. I hope you have understood. You will get perfection only when you do few more questions. So do few more questions. Let me give you some questions. Px is equal to practice problems. Px is equal to 3x minus 1. Second question. Px is equal to x minus 3. So these questions you can practice it, and there are some questions in the textbook also. You can have a practice. Otherwise, you write your own problems, linear polynomial, and draw the graphs. Okay. Bye bye. See you.